DS Prime is wrong. It passes on to AVP.
Comedy Central.
Comedy Central is absolutely correct. So they pick up another 10 points over there after scoring on the direct as well. And Cognizant, this is your direct. That's the answer, Comedy Central. PVR, DVR resistant ads are increasingly being used. These ads often contain lingering shots and sometimes video that can be clearly viewed at 12 times the normal speed. What are such ads trying to combat? You can guess. You can actually sort of work it out.
To prevent surrogate ads from being shown.
To prevent surrogate ads. How interesting. And you're completely wrong. AVP.
To stop people from fast forwarding the ads. So even if it's being fast forward, they can still see it as normal ad.
So do you want the term or will we give this to them? We're looking for the term. The principle is right. Maybe right. I might be confusing you. No, it moves on to
TiVo ads.
TiVo ads.
On TiVo.
Meaning anti-TiVo ads, is it?
So yeah, on TiVo basically you can fast forward ads while you're watching TV. So
TiVo you can just. This is to prevent you from. While you're fast forwarding, you still get the ad.
yeah. So as in when you fast forward, if it's 12 times, you can still watch it as if it's normal.
All right, we'll give it to you. We'll keep you out of your suspense. Viewers fast forward ads on personal digital video recorders like TiVo and Tata Sky. That's no. We were looking for the TiVo. Yeah, TiVo Connect. Okay, because that's the principle of it.
Tata Sky has the same thing.
Yeah, so if you said Tata Sky, that's we would have given it to you. And we're now going to move on to round 2. Are we giving the scores as yet? Yeah?
Are scores coming on stage or are you calling it out? Here goes. I think all of you have kept track. ABP, despite the TiVo, are on 20, White Castle on 10, Imami on 15, Cognizant on 5, but it's just one roundup. There's lots of quizzing left. Now we switch back to the other screen. And my round is on my favorite medium, print. We start again with ABP and then we go. Yeah? He's on a phone. He's disqualified.
Scheduling.
We don't know. You could be asking. Phone switched off.
Yeah,
Phone switched off.
No, but you're going to go from 6 now?
I will start with 6 and back and forth. So it's yours. They shouldn't get an advantage. Print innovation by which company? It ran in a different version in my favorite newspaper, but Waku Doki India, who is a client. Waku Doki India. Who's the client who is using this line? No prizes for guessing the newspaper.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia is wrong. Sounds very Wikipedia-ish, but I don't think they can afford to take out a masthead change. So anyway, IMC, I'll have to pass you quickly on the passes, so guess.
Is it Kodak?
It's not Kodak. Even they, I don't think, can afford very much now.
Toyota.
Toyota is right. Very, very Japanese. There you are. Here's the answer. Now IMC gets the next question. Oh, nice long one. Herbert Swope, editor of the New York Evening World in the 1920s, is quoted with the following description of something. It occurred to me that nothing is more interesting than opinion when opinion is interesting. So I devised a method of cleaning off the page, dash the dash, which became the most important in America, and thereon I decided to print opinions ignoring facts. Revolutionary idea at that time. This describes the supposed creation of what part of a newspaper? It's all good quizzes. I'm sure you read the newspaper. fill in the blanks and come up with the part of the newspaper he's talking about. Take your time, you need to absorb it. Imami, are you ready to answer? Are you ready to answer? It's there, sorry, I'm so sorry. Almost gave it to the wrong team. I'm see?
Editorials.
It's not the editorials,
Is it
Imami.
cleaning of the page, unquote the quote, quote unquote. So that
Quote unquote, no. TCS?
Opinion polls.
Opinion polls, no. White Castle?
Something like an agony aunt or something.
Agony aunt,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely, but no, not the answer. ABP,
Letters to the editor.
not letters to the editor, also a nice try. Back to you, CTS.
Classifieds.
Not classifieds. It is opposite the editorial and therefore op-ed. Sorry, I saw him first. ABP, should I give you minus?
We knew.
No. You knew. Okay. We are from the commercial side. Audience. And Vikas Khandelwal gets a hamper. No quiz in Calcutta is complete without this. So, the blanks are opposite the editorial. If you see, especially in the Telegraph, there are these, whole lot of same topic opinions opposite the editorial page. It's very, very popular. Now it's yours, Imami. A newspaper created as part of a marketing campaign for what? Some of you have seen it and they're saying, I know this. I had no clue. But since people are saying they know it, I won't hint. Newspaper created as part of a marketing campaign for what? Kahan ka patrika? It's not Amar Ujala.
gangs of Wasipur.
Gangs of Wasipur. What on earth is that? Wasipur. Wow. Did you know or did you guess? Worked out.
Sardar Khan.
Huh?
The Sardar Khan ka Hasan Jari.
Oh. ठीक है. I hadn't a clue. Okay. TCS. Print advertising. What's a common term for a paper outsert that is wrapped around a magazine or a newspaper, generally with a short message? They've given you a nice little example from Dawn saying floods ruin everything. I have no idea what's being advertised, but what is that little band called? TCS, are you guessing? It's a girdle. Now you're thinking, but no. White Castle?
Spell it. Spadia.
Spadia?
Yeah.
I haven't heard the word. ABP?
A belly band.
A belly band is correct. Technical term for them, so made it easy. And now the question is for White Castle, right? Okay. What term, which finds its origin in thick steel sheets used for industrial applications in the early 1900s, is used today in print media to refer to the brief information boxes that contain crisp information about the originator of a press release? This again is meant for media types, so you can work it out. I like the question. And one of our sponsors is the PRSI Kolkata chapter, who always use this in their press releases. White Castle, if you have no clue, try and guess. Otherwise, pass.
Bulletin.
Bulletin, no. ABP?
Briefs.
Not briefs.
Think boxes.
Think boxes, no. Pass. What boxes?
Bordered boxes.
Bordered boxes. Very mournful, but no. TCS?
Is it boilerplates?
It is boilerplate. You receive it at the end of it. Great answer. And now ABP or direct? Okay. Publicis for Citibank celebrating 200 years. They created a financial crossword. What's special about the crossword? We are only showing you a part of it. Try and imagine it zoomed out. Tell me what is special about the structure of the crossword.
Just taking a guess. The crossword is in the form of one of those augmented reality images that you can scan with your mobile phone. The QR.
QR is the word I was looking for. Bang on. This is what it looked like, and it was called a crossword. Crossword. I don't know how you pronounce it. So that ends the round. Are you ready with scores? And back to Shumit.
Thanks, Jayashree. Madison out there is sort of wishing that most of these questions were in prelims, and then they would have been here, right? Okay, good. But you're still enjoying the quiz, right? Okay, great. Thanks very much. All right, the scores coming up. And in case there's anything that we've got wrong, Vijay, we're looking for the scores. And here they are. Way ahead is ABP with 40 points. Close behind is Imami with 35. It's still early days, so White Castle at 10 has a very good chance. So does TCS. So indeed does actually IIM Calcutta and Cognizant. We're going to start with ABP again. And let's switch to the other computer. And we're ready for the radio round. Don't worry, you people have an interest in radio. Which internet radio service, now restricted only to US listeners, is named after the first woman in Greek mythology? Which internet radio service, now restricted only to US listeners, is named after the first woman in Greek mythology?
Just a guess. Athena.
Sorry?
Athena.
Athena. And you're wrong.
We'll go with Pandora.
You'll go with Pandora. Okay. And you would be right. Well done. And this is your direct. Which subsidiary of the Times Group owns the Radio Mirchi brand? We couldn't ask that to ABP. Which subsidiary of the Times Group owns the Radio Mirchi brand? You have to name the subsidiary. White Castle, I mean, pray to the Greek gods and you'll get it. Work it out. And if you don't know, you can take a guess or use a four-letter word. Pass.
Times Now.
Times Now. Okay.
I'm not sure about the full form, but it's ENIL.
ENIN. Okay, we'll give it to you. Entertainment Network India Limited. Okay? So that was TCS getting it. And this is TCS's direct. Who owns FM Rainbow, previously FM Metro, which is programs like Time Out, Takeoff, Footloose, and Wicked Hour?
This is All India Radio.
All India Radio, and you are right. Trust All India Radio to have these names, no? Quite right. Good for them. Well done. TCS has surged ahead with another 10 points. And this one's for Imami.